Okay, so most of you guys are done with the interview part, so you're working on the reflection. The easiest way to do the reflection is to copy the description and then open up your Google Doc, start a new one, and then cut and paste it. Okay, so once you cut and paste it onto your new Google Doc, you can fix the name to say reflection. Um, all right, so once you cut and paste it, you want to create a page break because it's going to be 2 pages. So you go to Insert, you look at Break. There's going to be a drop down menu that gives you the option of selecting a page break, and that'll create your page break. All right, so the cover page is always first. So I'm going to just cut and paste this and drop it into my second page because that's going to be my second page stuff. So now what I have is a first page and my notes with what needs to be included on a cover page. So the title is going to be Oral History Project. You can call it whatever you want though. It's your writing. And then make sure you put your name on it and the person that you interviewed. Oh man. And then for the date, spring of 2021 is fine. All right, see how I've gotten all this stuff, right? So that's the minimum, but you're on a computer, so you want to make it nice. So, right, let's fold this out and let's change the font a little bit. Oh, okay, that looks great. Let's just put this same font and let's make it a little bit bigger. And let's add a picture because we're practicing our presentation online. And add a picture. What, I could just look for an image, upload it from my computer, hit a picture. What I need to do? Let's look at downloads. Yeah, see, look, I got all these pictures. Um, yeah, we'll just do the same as that last time. So, just try to do something, make it look familiar, professional. See, then you have your next page. See that little break right there is your next page. This is gonna be your reflection piece. So for the reflection, I'm gonna just borrow this. It should be, look, here's the directions. You want it to be, oh, didn't it say? You want it to be one page typed, double spaced reflection paper that answers these 3 questions. Okay, so we're going to just move this over to the center. This is my reflection. Now I know what I'm doing. I'm going to delete this, or you can keep it at the bottom. Sometimes I keep stuff at the bottom so that I can remember what else I have to check over. And then all you do is answer these questions. If you write a paragraph on each of these questions, you'll have a page because it's got to be double spaced. So the first question that you're answering is, what did you learn about your interviewee? What did you learn about the person that you interviewed in their California story? Okay. Second question that you're answering is, what are the similarities and differences between your life and the person that you chose to interview? So what are some of the things that maybe you guys, oh yeah, I think the same way. Or wow, I'm never gonna have that attitude, or whatever it is, right? What are some of the similarities or differences between your life and the culture of the person you choose to interview? Okay. And then the last question, this is probably the most important in my opinion, is what new perspective did you gain from this person? Okay, perspective is, how we've been talking about the lens, the how we look at it. Is this a political? Is it going to affect us politically, Or is this going to affect our money, the money flow? Is this going to affect the economy? Those are perspective. Those are lenses. How did you talking to this person, what did you gain from the way that they saw the world? Okay. What did you gain from looking at the world through their lens? Okay. And so that's it. You just simply make a cover page and answer the 3 questions and turn it in. And that's what is going to be due at